Imagine you retire at 67. You've got $500,000 in super and you never touch it. Not a cent. It just sits there, growing, compounding, getting fatter every year. And you live entirely off income that comes from investments outside your super. Sounds like a fantasy, but there are Australians doing it right now. And the amount you need to pull it off is lower than you'd think, if you start early enough. Let's set the baseline. You need enough income from outside super to cover your living costs. If you're on the full age pension, about $31,200 per year, and you want to hit the modest retirement standard of $40,000, you need $8,800 per year from investments. For comfortable, at $60,000, you need $28,800 from investments. For premium, at $80,000, you need $48,800 from investments. Now, how much capital do you need to generate that income? It depends on what you invest in. Let's use 3 scenarios. Scenario 1, term deposits, currently paying about 4 to 4.5% in Australia. To generate $28,800 per year at 4%, you need $720,000 sitting in the bank. Safe, boring, and the interest is taxed at your marginal rate. After tax, you might need $900,000 or more to net $28,800. Scenario 2, Australian dividend ETFs. The average grossed-up yield on a broad Australian equity ETF like VAS or A200 is roughly 5 to 6%, including franking credits. At 5.5%, to generate $28,000, you'd need about $524,000 invested. And because of franking credits, if your total taxable income is under about $23,000, you'll actually get money back at tax time. Scenario 3, a mix. Half in dividend-paying shares, half in term deposits. Blended yield of about 4.5%. You'd need roughly $640,000 to generate $28,800 per year.
Now here's where it gets interesting. A bloke named Stuart from Adelaide built his outside super portfolio starting at 45. He put $400 per week, about $20,800 per year, into a diversified portfolio of Australian dividend ETFs and some international ETFs. He did this for 17 years. At 62, Stuart had roughly $580,000 outside super, generating approximately $29,000 per year in dividends, mostly franked. He also had $410,000 in super that he hadn't touched. And because Stuart's outside super income was under the taxable income thresholds, he qualified for the Commonwealth Seniors Health Card once he hit 67. Stuart's super is still growing. It's now above $500,000 and compounding. By the time he's 75, it could be $700,000 to $800,000 untouched, earning tax-free returns in pension phase. Sitting there is his safety net for aged care, medical emergencies, or his kids' inheritance. Stuart didn't have a massive income. He was a high school teacher. He just started at 45 and stayed consistent. Now let me be honest about who this strategy works for and who it doesn't. It works if you start before 50. The maths requires 15 to 20 years of consistent investing. Starting at 55 with nothing outside super is too late for this strategy to fund a full retirement. It works if you can invest $300 to $500 per week consistently. That's a meaningful amount of money. For a household earning $120,000, it's doable but tight. For someone earning $60,000, it's not realistic. It works if you don't panic sell during downturns. Stuart held through COVID. His portfolio dropped 25% in March 2020. He didn't sell. By December 2020, it was back. If he'd sold, the strategy would have failed. And it works best when combined with the age pension. Nobody is suggesting you live off dividends alone. The pension is your floor. Dividends are your supplement. Super is your safety net. Let me put the full picture together. At 67, with $500,000 in untouched super and $580,000 in outside investments, age pension, roughly $20,000 to $25,000 per year. Part pension, your assessable assets include outside super investments. Dividends, $29,000 per year. Total income without touching super, $49,000 to $54,000 per year.
Meanwhile, super grows at 6 to 7% per year. By 75, it's $750,000. By 80, it could cross $900,000. That's your insurance policy, your aged care fund, your whatever happens money. That's the dream. Not glamorous, not Lamborghinis and champagne, but complete financial security, with money you never need to worry about running out, because the main tank is still full.
You don't need to be rich to do this. You need to be early and consistent. $400 a week from age 45. Dividend ETFs. Reinvest everything until you retire. Don't touch the super. It's not the only way to retire, but it's the way that lets you sleep at night, knowing the money is never running out. Could you start today, even at $200 a week? Drop your age and what you could put away in the comments. Let's see who's closest. I'm the Retired Aussie. I'll see you in the next one.